Virgo Nation, today we're going on the road with our friend that hardly speak patois. Seeing the man in the talk patois not at all, as a matter of fact. So you'll be informed today, Virgo Nation. Can't wait. We don't know who we know. His name is Marlon, and you'll see him already on this vlog, but you'll see him again. He's coming to pick us up. I'm ready. Liz is almost ready, and we're gonna head out. Today we're going to St. Thomas. Now, St. Thomas is not a parish that we're always going to, but it's always a joy.
It's my first time.
Oh, it's your first time?
Mm-hmm.
Lovely. No, Liz, look at St. Thomas already.
When we go?
You never come with me and Bibo and Sam them that time there?
Nope.
Wow. Well, it's always a joy to go to St. Thomas for me. Our friend Bibo is from St. Thomas. Who else me know from St. Thomas? So many other people, so many great artists, so many talented people are from St. Thomas. And it's a beautiful, beautiful parish. So, can't wait to show you bits and pieces of St. Thomas. Our main reason for going is because we want to go and full belly with some mango. It's mango season. We're taking you on the road with this Virgo Nation. Let's go. Remember, we tell us that the man not talk nothing name patois. Wait till we go inside. Watch this. Yeah, let's hear it. Good morning, my brother.
Morning, big boss. Respect again, man.
Virgo Nation, you already know who this is, right?
It's only me.
Turning in music.
Yeah, turn on that. Morning. It's morning. It's whatever day. Let's know what time it is.
It's morning. It's probably minutes after 10 a.m. Virgo Nation.
I don't even know what time it is.
Heading out to the beautiful parish of
St. Thomas.
St. Thomas you come from?
No. I was born in Manchester.
Oh,
a country place called Maidstone, Manchester. But I grew up in a place called Top Mountain, St. Catherine.
Oh, okay.
So yeah. But I love Portland and St. Thomas. I hope that they remain how they are now. They will not, because you have development naturally. Gentlemen, we're going to see right now, a man called Mr. Edwards, him tell me that in the next 5 to 10 years, St. Thomas will be the new Negril.
Wow.
And actually, think about it, because if you have a road from the airport to why Negril is what is Negril? Because beach, nice whatever, nice people. Let me be very clear on that.
Let me tell you about now. We make the announcement say you're not going to talk no patois.
Yeah, me deliberately. Me deliberately now say nothing, me not cut him. Just be yourself, my brother.
No, I'm a fool.
Yeah, you are.
I am bilingual, Creole language, that is space and time.
Yes.
And you use it when if you go down a Caribbean market and buy some Australian. Naturally, you have to use the Creole. Use the circle.
Yeah, me say, Marlon, I want to nudge you,
You want to nudge me?
I want to nudge you.
Go for real, though.
But that's how he talks, he talk both.
Yeah,
you talk in proper English and you talk in proper bigger nothing.
The man don't talk, but
Go for real, St. Thomas, and you'll see the kind of development happening there. I'm no real estate person. You'll just see it.
My first time I'm going to St. Thomas, Marlon.
It's your first time in St. Thomas?
Yeah. As much as we're to believe.
Sasha, I mean, carry out the country too. She don't know why. Well, blah, blah, say that. Or a month ago, then why?
Sasha, we wish you were here. Let me say that. We miss you. We wish you were here.
That's one of my best friends.
Chef, remind me.
No, listen to him. Let me tell you stuff real quick. Nope. Listen to him.
You want good husband?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, you can't get good husband. I have to take care of him.
How much money we spend on him?
My best friend's husband.
Yeah, man.
A regular
chef.
She banned him from eating ice cream, and we just shout him and say, yeah, ice cream, don't do that.
Yeah.
No, the man an ice cream king here.
Yeah. No, but
I'm serious. When ice cream come into play, happiest person alive.
Yeah, if you hear the ice cream truck come right now, you know some stuff. No, but I got to.
We can't go there. No, you can't. There are some things in life you have to pause for. And you pause for ice cream. I can't zero. Yeah, you pause for ice cream and I can saltfish. Those two things I don't have no, shame.
Control.
No time at day
No
neither.
time. No, you don't have time for those things.
The road block off? Yeah.
You not lock off them.
You just back up a little side.
But yeah, you'll have an hour from the airport, We'll take you to Portland,
Wow.
Yeah, man, an hour, 15-20 minutes max.
I'm not making use of that. Because we want to go back over that hotel. Where the place name is?
Trident?
No. Trident is somewhere that we would love to go to, but on the cliff. What's the name of the place?
Oh,
is?
the cliff?
Yeah, Sea Cliff?
Sea Cliff, it name.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, that was such a great experience.
Yeah.
We went there. You remember the time when we took the helicopter?
Oh,
Virgos Nation?
that.
Yeah, we want to go back over that place. Marlon, if you tell this, when we reach St. Thomas, you make her know. I know. Young but no knows calm.
Yeah, no, man.
There's this little spot, right, where water come out of the stone or something like that.
We're not getting so far.
We're not ready to far.
We're not going far, St. Thomas. We can go there still.
Oh.
We can go there if you want to,
We have time?
If it's not too far around, we're going.
No, take
No, the opposite end is so far.
So this is the road, Marlon.
Yeah, this is the piece of road we get access to. It's a taste, I'm told, of what it will be to go to St. Thomas.
Wow.
Taste of it.
This feels nice, Virgo Nation.
Alright, so the shot here now.
Virgo Nation, let's see what we are talking about.
St. Thomas now is more, eh?
Wow.
Nice, no?
Yeah, I'm speechless.
You're speechless? No, what you talk?
I want to say more.
Call you around. No, we are tourists, bro.
It's an unbroken white line.
Yeah, the car is right now, we are car running. We are tourists today, brother.
Yeah, it's an unbroken white line. So.
Yeah. Before the bridge?
It was built, you have to drive in that river.
Oh, wow.
What river, Marlon?
Well, you have to drive through there.
So before the bridge was built, you have to drive through that river.
When there's no water.
Well, that's why I could
So it used to be a river.
Well, I think it's still a river. Is it still a river if you don't have any water? Well, the tributary is still there.
We're getting close, Virgo Nation, to Mr. Edward's property. See, I was asking Marlon a while ago if the property have a name, but
Let's look at the manga farm. Yeah, they might export manga veggies.
yeah. So,
Yeah, pattern no?
man, yo, bro, I was about to say to you, yo, the man that talk about
For the record, yeah.
Yeah, you don't know nothing.
Yeah, we don't know nothing veggies.
So, I wonder if I'll climb tree and them something there.
I love it.
You feel like bottom and catch him on
Yeah, so if I don't make a climb,
But I climbed the tree.
yeah, climb to the tree.
Yeah.
That's the record.
A top climb, man.
As security, him have crocodiles who walk the farm.
Real crocodile?
I'm going to show you them. Yeah, that's security. The people, check out what the people go over there. Him have crocs who walk the farm now. That's just this face. If I joke with them, I never ask you. They check you up? No man, they're not trouble.
So if we go in its natural habitat, get this.
It feels like a real tour is about to start. That's how it feels.
I'm there.
We're at the gate, waiting. Inside. What kind of engine is the thing, Marlon?
I'm into boat, you know. You can't tell you. I think it's a boat engine.
It's a boat engine?
Yeah, I think it's a boat engine. You can't tell you.
Yeah.
I think it's a boat engine though. Normally
What do you think, Liz?
it's a boat engine. I can't tell you that much though. It's a boat engine.
Yeah, you're just there for some man.
They look for it. They look out for the crab.
You don't have to worry about being
Liz just ask Mr. Edwards about crocodile.
When you go into a security company or go into any business and say a security guard there, are you worried about them?
No,
Why?
because they're human like me.
No. Because you're not a thief.
Okay.
So don't worry about it. So in my case, you're not a thief, so don't worry about the crap. Just like you go into any company, you see the security them there with a hammer and arm, dog or no dog. You walk past me, them pay them a mind. Because you're not there about anything
Unscrupulous.
finicky.
I was telling them that you can't plant a Julie mango tree or East Indian mango seed and it grow. You have to. It's engrafted. Is word.
You can?
It's the East Indian can grow, you know.
Yeah.
But I'm not guaranteeing you're gonna get back East Indian from it.
Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah. So it all
So you plant East Indian seed, but you might not get East Indian from this.
There you go. But if you plant Julie seed, it don't grow. If you plant 100 Julie seed, you might get 1 or 2 grow. While the East Indian, you'll get maybe 15, 20 grow. If you want it grow and bear same thing, then say don't eat it.
Oh, it must go in the mouth.
Plant the whole tree. Because the germs from us change the baker. What's the scientific name, teacher?
For what?
The genetics
Oh,
of the plant is changed from. In other words, you say if you go in butter fruit and you use a knife in your kitchen, plant can grow.
Yeah, you can't. So, yeah,
You can't use a knife for using a kitchen and put salt and so on and pepper and bud a plant. It will never grow. Wash the knife all you want. All right. We have some bird out of seed now. You as a mankind hold it. Him not stop bearding now. If you hold him 10 times and go back and see he go beard. And if you lock him up somewhere not bearding dead. So we are the most sinfulest one on earth. That down to the very plant suffers if we touch it in the wrong way.
Gosh.
Huh? Isn't that saying something?
Yes, it is.
Some very wise words there, Virgo Nation.
Oh, boy.
Virgo Nation, at this point, Mr. Edwards was saying that we took too long to come, and now there's not a lot of mango on the farm. We were saying, no man, we're grateful for the experience. This is what happened as soon as you said that.
Let's experience them all.
Yeah.
They never.
Oh, that's
They
right.
never
Shut
see
shut
it.
shut if you come in. Shut the entrance fee.
It's a different money that.
Yes,
It's a different money that we say going.
Entrance fee, man. No, let me ask you one question. You've been to Oak Gardens, right? Didn't you pay to go in?
But they get a free pass.
I expect to get one. So
About 2 months inside, I can't remember.
Mr. Edwards, full of vibes, man. Yeah.
Mango tree.
May I tell you? Liz, I want you to enjoy this tour, Liz. You know, when you think about crocodile and all that someday. Free up yourself. Yeah.
As you can see, we plant all the mangoes in the road. Picking the mangoes in the road is much more easier for us than like cutting the farm.
Yeah.
It's much more easier for us. And watering system is much more easier for us also.
Okay,
You
nice.
can see the water system.
Yes, I see the pipe.
Barney! Robert!
Robert!
Barney,
Oh,
Robert,
yeah.
Mr. Foster.
Mr.
Come
Foster.
visitor here.
Is that like you should
Like she working with the
So I just go check Robert and be more than reach, you know.
Manners.
Barney.
Respect.
Robert.
Okay. Barney and Mr. Robert. Mr. Foster.
Mr. Foster, big up.
Yes, up, Mr. Foster, mind the drop out here.
He not drop money, no.
You come when the mango crab really little out.
Yeah. That we realize. But all of the mango you get from the one tree, yeah?
Yeah, not just little bit, man. Man. There's
What the mango this?
a barrel load down here, so
Come show him bar.
there's a barrel load.
Okay. You go look on the barrel then, Liz. Whoa. Come on.
So they export them?
You say them clean.
Some of those are exported.
Wow.
They're clean to me. Young East Indian trees.
Young Eastern.
Because we have to always have replacement because you know some of the trees they die out at a certain time. And the storm from on blue over there.
Yes.
Like for instance, that one over there. So you see have that one next so close to it because it's a replacement.
They have mostly East Indian and what is it? Julie. Because of them are the popular mango.
Yes. This is we call it string. Common mango. Common mango.
Okay.
Alright.
Long terminator string, you know?
This one, we call this one Bombay.
Bombay.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the family's favorite.
Yes.
That's a hurricane blood on this one?
Hurricane. All of them that if you turn over is hurricane. And it's actually replacement.
Okay.
Yes. We're going down the back. Really don't like. Yes, I know.
I run after the crocodile there?
Feel so holy. Alright.
Yeah. Wow. We can't call the place a mango farm alone.
A farm.
It's a farm. Ladies, you must can pick this. Try and jump and pick this
I
one.
mean, am I allowed to hold? Okay, guys. This is how you pick a stringy mango.
You never take off your mask?
Yes, you have to.
All of a sudden you want to take off mask now. Your mask now have nothing to do with you and this mango right here.
Have a joke, man. And it takes precision. All the math class.
Go on again.
A long jump.
Go.
But I say if we can't jump high enough.
Give yourself leverage. Give yourself some leverage, man. You can't just. Yeah, man. Give yourself like I run up like a batsman, like a bowler. Yeah, man.
Woo!
We are the champions. How we must can't eat this?
This is the Nelson. Nelson.
It's very sweet.
Oh, okay.
Very, very sweet. Alright?
How you know want to make that? What them called John Belly full? It's big, but you know,
Yes.
you know ready.
I'm a certified chef.
Yeah?
I used to work at the Rio Club Negro.
Okay.
And John Bellyful is that's where I used to use that mango to put on platter.
Oh, okay. This is what mango is it? Graham.
Yeah. Very nice. Very nice.
Guys, your boy going up in the tree. Say my pick for himself. Say independent.
Yeah, love it. Making good.
I could see if I'm still countryman or if a country come to town. Hold on there. Foot feet.
They don't believe in us.
God did.
God did. They don't believe in us. Oh. God did.
Just no drop, babes. No drop.
Stop crying, man. That country we come from here.
You see it?
Janus, this is too easy, you know.
Yeah, babes, it's something where you lean and
No, you can't break that.
oh.
It's a top climber.
Never.
It's just a pity we can't just pick them and eat them like this.
No, you have to watch it.
To make the thing look more better, you should have put your foot panel in there.
So, don't this.
Yeah, you should have put your foot panel in
Yeah. I'll go so.
Come on.
there.
You know what it's about that. Would I go catch you with that?
Yeah, catch it,
Oh, good. Yes, sir? You did it. You did it. I mean, let's have some go for my bag them a town to come plant mango. I move come St. Thomas, come plant mango.
It was an awesome tour of Virgo Nation, but it was back to Mr. Edwards with a bag of jokes. Pre this.
Them way more knowledgeable now. They learn a whole heap of things. They never talk to you yet.
Alright. Yeah, besides words, give thanks. We appreciate that tour there. How much you owe you now?
I don't need your service. Service at a man there. So he never render it. He mustn't wake us him. And so we know him good.
He was asking me the engineer about what kind of engine was. Right? I tell him it's a boat engineer about the front. I don't know, one right at the front.
The big one at the front there.
Yeah.
That's a GM. Detroit diesel.
Okay.
1271.
Truck, GM.
You want to put power in it? You can wind it up and get as much as 8 horsepower per cylinder.
Whoa.
So you multiply the 8 by 12.
You know 8 tells how much? Come on, Matt said.
720 horses out of it.
Yeah, that? Powerful.
You have a myriad of different sprays from here. Some little better than some cheaper than some. But some are way like most of the engines, even our spray.
I see it in
Clarendon have mangoes, they're not sprayed, but their quality is poor because them planted mostly in a water belt. And because of water take away your flavor. With your growth, with your size, but flavor.
Not so much.
We know in most of this year in particular, we're actually in, if you look at a map, which you should have access to it,
Yeah, man, for sure.
for 1490, where we're standing now is a river. Where we're standing now was a river. It was part of the Yalas River.
Yeah,
Okay.
was showing us the dry out.
That is before the bridge, we have to drive through it.
Yes. So the river, even with Albion is in it, it's where even the gas station, that's
Right
part of the river, you know. Jamaica's changed so dramatically. I don't think we, the younger people, even stop up for a moment and say, where were we? And where the possibility we may be. Because if you just sit for the moment, you know, then it don't really matter. The sky is clear, you don't need it. In other words, if the sky is going to stay like this, you know, say you don't need a roof on your house.
But you never have rain.
Yeah, the seasons, yeah.
And it's cooler.
Nice and cheaper.
And you save money. Exactly.
It's cheaper.
But if we look where we're coming from and where we're going, you might say, you know what? Put a second floor up there. Not because you plan to walk up there, no, but you expect that floor to take off the heat off of the bottom floor. Oh, it's on.
So like a
Words from the wise. Watch my mango for me?
For you, yeah. Right here.
Right here. I'm hold one, babes. So you can wash one properly.
I take special care because I remain mango, you know.
Why?
There's your mango, sir.
Thank you, man.
You know, I'm gonna eat a stringy mango. One of my favorite mango. Only thing you go string up my teeth, but I love the flavor.
Probably about 10 years, mate, man.
No, sir, not so long run.
Believe me.
But if I buy stringy mango, it's fair, man.
When?
And you scrape it up, and then 2 days
Farmers
you
like
can turn
this.
it down the shelf.
Half of what
2
them
days?
put in, yeah?
I think.
That's my mom tell you. Right now, the mango, them migrate left me on the burger.
Well, you know, so the mango that might get visa, you say, get visa.
Like a dog, then.
Without a doubt, this is one of the best tours, trips. This is in a top 5 of the videos that I make now. Easily make top 5.
Experiences that we have.
Yeah.
Top 5
Whoa.
experiences, guys.
We couldn't even show everything that we were doing. I might find mango string in my teeth.
Apartheid process.
I don't care right now. You would understand. And for the people who don't eat mango in years, yeah, you know, you understand. And just like that, we're back in Kingston. We want to take time out to big up Marlon for taking us on this wonderful journey.
Thank you, Mr. Edwards, for accommodating us. Big up Howie for giving us the tour. We really appreciate it.
It was a blast. It was really a blast.
Yeah.
I've been there a number of times, but I never get this kind of tour before.
Yeah.
I want to in and out quickly. But this was a good learning experience.
Yeah. I got me to say there's an experience.
Yeah. Volumes from them and just how you treat mangoes. Living beings, you know? Oh, for real.
True.
Them grow, them feel, them emotions like me.
I agree. True. Virgo Nation, well, love. We'll see you all
In our next video.
Alright, thank you.